at least two district engineers, no, and a minor functionary sa Bulacan who are big-time gamblers in one of the casinos here. And the two of them, as per my information, used aliases. No? They hid their true identities, gumamit ng fictitious name, and ang recorded losses. This is just informal and official, but I intend to get the official record. Yung isa po natalo ng 300 million, yung isa more than 300 million. And these are salary grade 19 officials, being district engineer, and the other one is even occupying a lower position. So you can just imagine the enormity of the corruption that's going on. This is only in Bulacan, Mr. President. I got hold of the aliases that they used. So it will be easier for the concerned authorities to really identify or get all the records of their winnings and losses.
And it's